Hello and welcome to another update video about Jasmy, and the Jasmy chart has reacted to our orange support region that we communicated before. So it's been now a while, and the market's been consolidating. We had here a WXY structure that we were tracking, and the market tested sort of the orange support zone several times. And here with a nice lower low on the 1st of May, it was on that Wednesday at around $1, not $1, 1.5 cents. The market could have bottomed. Okay, we could have bottomed. However, so far we haven't seen any higher high. So obviously probabilities aren't very clear yet, but I can tell you that all the requirements to put a low in place have been fulfilled. We've got a nice three-wave correction, okay, a WXY correction in this case. These are rather complex corrections, and from there now we could have started this fifth wave to the upside. In this fifth wave we're looking for a 5-wave pattern to the upside, obviously, and this 5-wave pattern should take the price ideally, well, at least to 3 cents, but we can calculate that better once we have the initial 1-2 setup completed. Yeah, I would not rule out that we get all the way up to maybe 4.3 cents or even 5 cents, but we first need to see how these subdivisions unfold and how long this wave 1 gets. The idea is obviously that we are here in a structure in which we've seen from the August low last year already a small 5-wave move, which was wave 1 of a larger C wave, wave 2 of the larger C wave, the third wave of that C wave. This was the 4th wave ideally, okay? Also in terms of proportions, wave 2, wave 4, it looks quite good. And now this could be the 5th wave of that C wave. So it could be the last wave up of the entire rally there. It's possible if after that one more high, we see another higher low in wave 4, that we get one more high in wave 5. So the yellow count is possible, but it needs to prove itself first. And let's first see if we can get to that next Fibonacci target zone up there. I'd say 3 cents is certainly the next target, and then above that 4.3. But we can refine these targets as we go along and get a little bit more price data. Please be aware that there are resistances structurally at the next swing high here at 2.15 cents. That's key. Getting above that level would be ideal. And then we've got the X wave high, that's important, at 2.59 cents, or let's call it 2.6 cents. And the third wave high at 2.72. These are, let's say, resistances that need to be overcome as we get to those next upside targets. Yeah, this target zone up there, they're just the next larger degree fibs. There is one key target pointing to 5 cents, even though I'm not entirely sure how the lower degree structure will send the price there. This is what now the next few days need to show. First of all, I cannot confirm yet that we've bottomed, but it's looking good. Obviously, price turned around where it needed to. Important, I think, to recognize that this structure here needs to prove itself now by forming a higher low next. Okay, that would be our famous 1-2 setup. Also interesting, this could form, and I will take the triangle pattern out, we don't need that anymore, but this could turn into an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is quite nice because it aligns with the Elliott waves, okay? Having here a neckline at around 2.15 cents could be interesting, because then we had here this sort of left shoulder head, and the wave 2 could form our right shoulder because it should form a higher low. And we could basically then go a little higher low, and then getting possibly that breakout, and that could then send us to our third wave target up there. Okay, I can be more precise about shorter time frame targets once we get that first pullback in wave 2. I think a pullback is probably nearly there, but maybe we need to get to that green line first. I would prefer a pullback beforehand, but obviously it would also be bullish if we break through straight away. There is not the need of a pullback. If no pullback occurs here around 2.14, 2.15 cents, then the next potential for a pullback, I think, will be in this area here around 2.4, 2.5 cents. That's my update about Jasmy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.